Hello, hello everyone. We are going to make something new tonight. We're going to use this mold and we are going to make some popsicles. So if you're here, let me know. I'm going to turn on my tablet so I can see comments. Check this out. Yep. Okay. If you're here, let me know. We're going to start here. Okay. So we are going to use this mold and we are going to make watermelon popsicles. These are going to be watermelon, I'm going to call them the watermelon two-way popsicle. So all you're going to need is this mold from Puzzle. Okay, it comes with the sticks. We're going to use coconut yogurt. We're going to use kiwis. And we are going to use a watermelon. So first up, let's cut our kiwis. That's going to be our, let's do 4 kiwi. No. Let's just do 3. 3? No, I think 2 actually. This is a small mold. Okay, so first things first, we're going to remove the fuzzy part. These are going to be so yummy. They're going to be a perfect summer snack. Warm weather snack. Doesn't even have to be summer. Okay. And we'll do the other one. Okay. Let me get rid of these. All right. And then I'm going to take a knife. I'm going to cut these edges off. Okay, then I am going to quarter these. Take my blender and we are going to puree this for our first So, here is our green. I'm going to pour this in a cup. making popsicles, so it's okay if it's a little chunky. Hey, Barb. If it's a little chunky, that's okay. And you know what? Since we're all going to mix it together, it's totally fine that there's still going to be some left because we're still going to use our mixer. We got to make some watermelon puree, which is next. So, I'm going to need a bigger knife. I'm going to need a bigger knife. I am only going to use just a tidbit of this mini watermelon because there's not very much room. Now, I am not a watermelon cutter, so bear with me here. So obviously you're going to want to prefer a seedless watermelon, like not the black seeds. And then I'm going to cut it there. So basically we are just going to want to get the red part out. My husband is the pro watermelon. I'll just do this side. So half a mini watermelon. Oh my gosh. Doesn't help that I have the smallest cutting board known to man. There we go. Hey. All right. So, just gonna add this here. Okay. Hopefully, oopsies, this is not too much for my little blender here. All right, let's try it out. See if it does it. Oh, yeah. Perfect. All right, so now we've got our watermelon juice. So we've got, our watermelon, kiwi, and then we've got our coconut yogurt. So, let me show you what we're going to do now. If I can open up this. So, I am actually going to use the yogurt first because I need a barrier. So, what I'm going to do I am going to take the yogurt and make a little line right there. Hold my stick up. Make sure I get it underneath. Okay. I'm going to use a little bit more because this is there. The mold is deep, but it's not wide, if that makes sense. I'm just trying to make it so it covers the whole thing, but I don't want too much, like I don't want it to be too wide. That makes sense. Because I am using this as a, like I said, a barrier, because our liquids are very liquidy. Okay. And then the last one, making sure I get, obviously you can stick the sticks in at the end. If you wanted. Okay. So we've got our lines here. Next up, we're going to do the green, which is the kiwi. So let's fill the kiwi. Up to the top here. So even just one kiwi would have been sufficient. But I think I did use a lot of coconut yogurt. Maybe some could say too much. Let me see, maybe I could scoop some of it out. Okay, then we'll just pour this in, which is our watermelon. Oops. Oh, geez. Oh. Oh my gosh. You know me, you know that was going to happen. And we'll do a little cleanup at the end. Okay. And just like that, we've got our watermelon 2 ways popsicles. I'm going to pop them in the freezer. Let me clean it off for you. Except I don't think it'll make a difference right now. Somewhat. There you go. Does anyone have any questions, comments, concerns? I'm going to put it in the freezer overnight, and then they will be ready to eat tomorrow. So just to recap, I used 1 kiwi, and I mashed it up, whatever, mixed it up. Then I used coconut yogurt for the white part, and then I used watermelons smashed up, half of a mini watermelon, to make our red part. And now I'm going to put them in the freezer. You can get this mold from Puzzle Tumblers. You can use my discount code WildHeartShop. Hey, Christine. It does come with these sticks. Just a note, the holes for the sticks to go in has a really thin layer. Oh, Barb, I assume this is edible. Super cute mold. Yes, Barb, it is. Sorry, I'm not, that comment didn't, it just came up. we are going to eat this tomorrow when it's frozen. So the holes for the sticks to go in were not, there's like a really thin layer of silicone. They weren't fully like there. So I had to just stick the sticks. I love that mold. I haven't used it yet though. Yes, you need to use it. It's so cool. This is going to be really fun. I can't wait to show my kids tomorrow and have them taste it and see what they say. This would also be really fun to do with kids too. So I am going to hop off because I am done. Your kids will love these. Now take all of the remaining ingredients together and make a smooth living. A smoothie. I know. I might ask my husband if he wants one. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching and learning how to make these. What's it called? What are these called? Watermelon Popsicles. I hope you guys have a wonderful night and you make these soon. Bye.